Hi everyone, I'm Ofalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribe the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we have got the second kind of pronoun the definite pronoun that is known as the demonstrative pronouns. So what are the demonstrative pronouns? Let's discuss. The definition of demonstrative pronouns is those pronouns which are used in place of nouns to demonstrate or point out them are called demonstrative pronouns. See, those pronouns which are used in place of nouns to demonstrate or point out them. Demonstrate means to point out, are known as the demonstrative pronouns. Now, we have got total. I told you that this is the shortest parts of speech. Now we have got the four demonstrative pronouns. What are those? Now see, this, that, and their plural is these, those. These are the pronouns which are used to demonstrate or point out towards the nouns, are called demonstrative pronouns. They also work as demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives we will learn in adjectives, but here I will clear your concept. What is difference between the both? How you can recognize whether it is the demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. See, demonstrative pronouns which are used in place of nouns to demonstrate towards them, and demonstrative adjectives are used to point out the nouns. Clear? They are used in the place of nouns to demonstrate, and they are used to demonstrate them, to point out them. Now, demonstrative pronoun is what? This is my car. And okay, let me define each of them for you. This is used for singular, which is near to you. That is used for singular, that is far from you. And these is used as a plural for more than one, which is near, which are near to you. And those is used for one, more than one, and which are far from you. So for that we will be using those. Now see, demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. How can you recognize that whether I am using it as a demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective? See, this is my car. This car is mine. Now, how will you recognize? By only two things I will tell you that will be the best one. The first way you can recognize, after this, that, these, those. If be forms come, is, are comes, so they are used as demonstrative pronouns. And if after them noun come, because an adjective adds something in the meaning of noun, here it is adding something in the meaning of noun, then it is used as adjective. This is my car, this car is mine. This is the first difference. And second difference you come to know, if you are using demonstrative pronouns, keep in your mind you will be using possessive adjectives. And if you are using demonstrative pronouns, then possessive pronouns you will be using, like this, mine. Clear? So demonstrative pronoun is there, so possessive adjective must be there. Demonstrative adjective is there, so possessive pronoun must be there. In the same way, that is your shirt. Now see, that is the demonstrative pronoun, is the be form, and in the same way, that is the demonstrative adjective, and shirt is the noun, because that is adding something in the meaning of shirt, and an adjective is a word which adds something in the meaning of noun and pronoun. And here it is used after be form, before be forms. Now this shirt is this is your shirt, this shirt is yours. Now over there, see, if you are using demonstrative pronoun, so possessive adjective you will be using your. And if you are using the demonstrative adjective, so possessive pronoun you will use yours. In the same way, these are is books. These is the pronoun, and is the possessive adjective. And in the same way, demonstrative adjective, so is the possessive pronoun. And in the same way, those are their cars, those is the demonstrative pronoun, and there is the possessive adjective. And those cars are theirs, that those is the demonstrative adjective, and theirs is the possessive pronoun. So these two things, after, keep in your mind, if after this, that, these, those, the be forms comes, is or are, so keep in your mind that is used as demonstrative pronoun. And if after this, that, these, those, the nouns come, then keep in your mind they are known as the demonstrative adjectives. And if you are using demonstrative pronouns, so you must use possessive pronoun, possessive adjectives. And if you are using demonstrative adjectives, so you must use possessive pronouns. So this is the difference. And without ownership and relationship, you can also make their sentences. If you remember in previous lecture, I told you that possessive cases we will be learning in demonstrative pronouns. So see, possessive cases are showing ownership and relationship. This is my car. My is showing someone's possession, property. Your is showing someone's possession and property. And is book, that is showing possession and property. Their cars, so that is showing possession and property. That car is mine, yours is theirs. These are showing ownership and relationship, so these are known as the possessive cases. Now without possessive cases, you can also make your sentences. How can you recognize whether this, that, these, those are working as pronouns? See, if they after them the be forms are used, like this: is, was, are, and are. This is a mobile. That was a lie. These are wrong sentences, and those are lazy guys. So over here, this, that, these, and those are working as demonstrative pronouns. And here, this pen, see, after that noun is coming. That pen, after that there is a noun coming. And these ideas, after that there is a noun coming. Those criminals, after that there is a noun coming. See, this person was a criminal. Now over here, this is working as demonstrative adjective. That pen is blue, that is working as demonstrative adjective. Those ideas are wrong, that is working as demonstrative adjective. These ideas are wrong, that is working as demonstrative adjective. And those criminals were released, so that is working as demonstrative adjective. So hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with the next kind. Goodbye.